Top 5 Best Gold Panning Kits. How to find the best gold panning kit for beginners. The 5 best gold panning kits. Panning for gold can be an exciting hobby, whether you're on a prospecting expedition alone or with your family on a camping trip. These kits include the pans needed for sifting out unwanted sand and rocks, as well as a variety of accessories and equipment to help increase your chances of striking pay dirt. Our list offers a range of options suitable for all experience levels. When users buy our independently chosen editorial choices, we may earn commissions to help fund the review parks. Number 1 Gold Rush Nugget Bucket. Number 2 ASR Outdoor 19 PC. Crazy Sale.
1/2 inch mesh, 1/4 inch, and an 1/8 of an inch mesh classifier screens. Okay, that means how many wires are in an inch of a pan. These particular classifiers are designed to fit on a 5-gallon bucket so that you can move through a lot of material at once. So once you're on the gold, you stay on the gold, get all that material, and then get it through your classifiers to clean it of biological debris, large rocks, and everything else, and you're getting that good pay dirt down in the bottom of your bucket. Now, when you're gold panning, river sluicing, or even running through a large industrial plant, you need to have your material classified so that the rocks don't flush out your gold. All right, so let's take a look at what we're going to do here. This is harvested from the river. All right, it's unclassified material, so we would call this unclassified pay, and we're just going to feed it through. All right, we're going to feed it through wet, meaning there's water in the bucket with the material. It's important that your classifier screens be the largest on top, smallest on bottom, naturally. Now, once we get a good amount of material on the screen, we're going to flush it through. Handy gold pan. So we're just going to add water to our system here. Now remember, gold sticks to rocks, so you're trying to get those rocks to be nice and clean. All right, so here, that's everything that didn't make it through our half mesh. All right, and as you can see, we're already washed through our 1/4 screen. It warrants taking a look because there can be fossils in here, gemstones, anything, semi-precious gems. There's a lot of things you'll find while gold prospecting. All right, now we've still got a lot of sand and pay mixed in with our 8 mesh screen, so we're gonna keep washing that. All right, now our final displacement, that's what gravel is coming out of the 8 mesh screen, and it warrants going through. So I'm gonna set that aside to go through later. Pour out the water, your gold's not gonna come out. And now we have
Number 3 ASR Outdoor Backpack Gold. Number 4 ASR Outdoor Gold Rush. Crazy Sale.
our half mesh. All right, and as you can see, we're already washed through our 1/4 screen. It warrants taking a look because there can be fossils in here, gemstones, anything, semi-precious gems. There's a lot of things you'll find while gold prospecting. All right, now we've still got a lot of sand and hay mixed in with our 8 mesh screen, so we're going to keep washing that. All right, now our final displacement, that's what gravel is coming out of the 8 mesh screen, and it warrants going through. So I'm going to set that aside to go through later. Pour out the water, your gold's not going to come out. And now we have classified hay.
Number 5, Stansport Mining. Crazy sale,